So I had a customer come in saying that he had a black tank leak. I pulled the cap off and I got some leakage from the cap, so I thought he was talking about his valve. And so when I opened it up to see if I could replace the seals, this is what I found. They're very close together and the tanks won't move. The bracing is like on some permanent cross members. So it was very difficult to get this tank out and move this stuff. And as I was doing some more exploring here, I found this. So that tank had been leaking in the belly pan. And so I was looking around, I said, well, that pipe's not in the center of that hole. It was actually really crooked, and you can see here it wasn't even in the tank at all, or in the seal. And then on the roof, the vent was clogged. I mean, they didn't even cut the rubber. And this is where the tank was split. So I'm wondering if the clogged vent caused this tank to split. There was also excessive glue around the seal. I didn't get a picture of the seal, but it was pretty bad also. And then trying to get this tank out, you could see how the wiring was routed. It was a very difficult job to get out. And then where they screwed the belly pan into one of the cross members, you can see there's wiring right there. They had the screw right into the wiring. Nothing was damaged at that point, but I did reroute the wires and tie them up away from the screw so no damage would happen in the future. I just wanted to show parts of the RV that you can't see, without taking things apart, that there can be a lot of issues. This didn't happen until after the customer was out of warranty, so this has got to come out of his own pocket, and there's multiple issues with just his black tank.